There are numerous third-party programs available to help you convert PNG photos to PDF files. The majority of services include some sort of payment requirement or restriction. The good news is that you can use Windows 11's Microsoft Print to PDF tool to convert as many PNG files as you want to PDFs. Your PNG files can be converted to PDFs for a few reasons. A single PDF document, for instance, is simpler to transmit than a large number of photos. If you don't care about image quality, converting images to PDFs will result in your photos taking up less room on your PC. Additionally, if you are a student, your professor can want you to produce PDF copies of your handwritten outputs. You can only accomplish this by photographing your work and turning it into PDFs. Whatever your motivation, Windows 11 can easily assist you in converting PNGs to PDFs. Start by navigating to the folder containing your PNG files. After that, choose the photos you want to turn into PDFs. These photographs will be converted to PDF in the same order that you selected them in. Flick the files with the right mouse button, then click Print. The Print Pictures window will be opened after this action. Choose Microsoft Print to PDF from the Printer drop-down menu in the Window's upper right corner. You can also select the paper size and PDF file quality as the document is being prepared. Next, select Print by clicking the button in the Window's bottom right corner. You should see a window with a Save Location selection option. After this, your pictures should be converted to PDF. Thank you for watching this. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.